am Fred.
Fred? Tommy, pleasure to meet
you.
you. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lucy. What do you want me to say?
I don't know, like...
I'm a veterinarian.
How long have you been a vet?
I told you that.
I know. I'm just for the people.
Oh, right. We'll start again.
No, it's okay. Now, it has to be natural. We can't cut. This is real life. Just how long have you been a vet for?
I have been a vet for 11 years. I love the puppies.
That was awesome.
Oh my god, it's freezing up here.
It went from, oh, this is nice. Oh my god, it's so cold.
No, and suddenly it was like we were in the clouds.
Now you're shy all of a sudden, huh?
You're gonna get stuck again. He has to go the absolute wrong way every time. There you go. Getting used to the leash, aren't you? Yeah.
Oh, he just wants to stay. He refuses to move. Yo! So funny story about this day. This was the first day I met Lucy. So we planned to do the shoot, and then when we blinked up, Lucy told me that she did her hair. And I was like, why the hell did you do your hair? She's like, oh, because we're shooting. And I'm like, what? It's like, you think there's a professional shoot or something? She's like, I don't know. I'm like, well, it ain't. We're gonna go ride and we're just gonna go shooting. So she totally like did her hair for absolutely nothing because it got completely ruined the moment we started riding. I thought that was hilarious. So she thought everything was gonna be all planned out, but it wasn't, because when we linked up, I didn't even know where to go. So we ended up at the mountain, but then it all worked out because, buddy, we took so many nice shots, as you can tell, on my left, on my right. Anyways, I just want to say huge thanks for watching. We actually rode some more, but I didn't include it because I didn't want to... Oh my god. I didn't include it because I didn't want to make the video too long. So there'll be another Ride Vibes of the remaining half, the other half. My god, I can't talk. So yeah, keep an eye out for that one. It'll actually be the next video after this one. So until next time, peace. I don't know why I'm so weird.